history of Orissa. The ancient kingdom of Kalinga, which was invaded by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka, which was again won back from them by King Karavela in 261 BCE, resulting in the Kalinga War, coincides with the borders of modern day Odisha. The modern boundaries of Odisha were demarcated by the British Indian government, and the province of Odisha was established on 1st April 1936. It consisted of Oriya speaking districts. 1st April is celebrated as Utkala Dibasa. Cuttack was made the capital of the region by Anantvarman Chodaganga in 1135, after which the city was used as capital by many rulers through the British era until 1948. Thereafter, Bhubaneswar became the capital of Odisha. Odisha's first king was Kipilendra 1435-66, who won territories from his Muslim neighbors and greatly expanded the Kalinga kingdom. The political history of Suryavamsi Ganpati started with Kipilendra Deva, who ascended the throne in 1435 AD. The last king to rule Odisha was Mukunda Deva. The dynasty established by Mukunda Deva has been described as Chalukya dynasty. Mukunda Deva is considered as the last Hindu king in Odisha. In Odissean traditions, Mukunda Deva is also known as Tilinga Mukunda Deva. Mukunda Deva possibly belonged to this ruling family, who were originally the feudatories of the Ganpati. Mukunda Deva first came into prominence by defending the fort Cuttack. Some historical places in Odisha. First is Sun Temple, which is in Konark. Second is Sri Jagannath Puri Temple. Third is Dauli, which is in Bhubaneswar. Fourth is Barabati Fort, which is in Cuttack. Fifth is Khandagiri Caves. Sixth, Chausat Yogini Temple. Seventh, Brahmeshwara Temple. Eighth, Ananta Vasudev Temple.
The emblem of Odisha is the official seal of the government of the Indian state of Odisha. Motto: Odisha Sasan, Government of Odisha in Hindi and Odia. Crest: Lion, capital of Ashoka. For audio.
A banyan, also spelled as banyan, is a fig that begins its life as an epiphyte, that is, a plant that grows on another plant. It is the tree which is found in Odisha everywhere and makes the state healthy and green.
Saraka Osaka or Ashoka translate to sorrowless and bears strong prominence in Hindu mythology and culture. It has beautiful fragrant flowers and deep green leaves in clusters. Commonly known as the cluster fig tree, Indian fig tree or gular fig is the tree of Orissa.
The state animal of Odisha is the sambar deer, the sambar Indian roller. The sambar is a large deer native to the Indian subcontinent. It is listed as a vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List since 2008. Populations have declined substantially due to the serval hunting, insurgency, and industrialization exploitation of habitat. The state bird of Odisha is the Indian roller. The Indian roller is a bird of the family Coracidae, the rollers. It occurs widely from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent. It is listed as the least concern on the IUCN Red List. The Indo-Chinese roller was formerly included as the subspecies.
Odisha, formerly known as Orissa, is one of the 28 states in the Republic of India. Odisha is located in the eastern part of the Indian peninsula, and the Bay of Bengal lies to its east, while Chhattisgarh shares its border in the west and northwest. The state also shares geographic boundaries with West Bengal in the northeast, Jharkhand in the north, and Andhra Pradesh in the south. The state is spread over an area of 1,55,707 km square and extends for 1,030 km from north to south and 500 km from east to west. Its coastline is 480 km long. The state is divided into 30 districts, which are further subdivided into 314 blocks. The state of Odisha extends from 17.31 degree north latitude to 22.31 north latitude and from 81.31 east longitude to 87.29 east longitude. Odisha topography consists of fertile coastal plains to the east bounded by Bay of Bengal. Mountainous highlands and plateau regions occupy the center of the state. Western and northwestern portions of the state consist of rolling uplands. The state also has some major floodplains encompassing the river systems.
Agriculture of Odisha. According to 2011 Census of India, 61.8% of Odisha's working population are engaged in agricultural activities. The main crops cultivated in the state of Odisha are rice, jute, oilseeds, pulses, coconut, meshta, sugarcane and tea. Economy of Odisha. Economy of Odisha is one of the fastest growing economy in India. According to 2014 to 15 Economic Survey, Odisha's gross state domestic product GSDP was expected to grow at 8.78%. Odisha has an agricultural based economy which is in transition towards an industry and service based economy. According to Odisha's economy has increased by 122.27% during the last 6 years in terms of gross state domestic product GSDP. Thereby, Odisha achieved an annual growth rate of 6.23% during this period. Odisha is also one of the top FDI destinations in India.
Language of Odisha. Odia is one of the many official languages of India. Odia is an Indo-Aryan language spoken in the Indian state of Odisha. It is the official language in Odisha where native speakers make up to 82% of the population. It is also spoken in parts of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh.
Communities of Odisha. Odisha people are subdivided into several communities such as Brahmin, Jyotish, Karan, Rajput, Paika, Chasa Gopal, Baniya, Kansari Gudia, Patara, Tanti, Mali, Kumbhar, etc. Religion of Odisha. Odisha is one of the most religious homogeneous states in India. More than 94% of popular people are followers of Hinduism. Hinduism in Odisha is more significant due to the specific Jagannath culture followed by Odia Hindus. The position of women in Odia society has always held with high value. Odia culture celebrates female concentric festivals like Raja Khudrukuni, Sudasha Bhrata, Kumar Purnima. Culture of Odisha. Odissi is one of the oldest classical dances of India. The applique work of Pipili and Sambalpuri saris are notable. Odisha were the masters of swords and had their own form of material arts, later popularly known as Paika Akhada. Clothing of Odisha. Generally, dhoti is common traditional costumes for men in Odisha. They also wear kurta and gamucha during the festival and other traditional celebrations. Women wear different types of saris to show their special look. Women normally prefer to wear the sari, that is the Sambalpuri sari. They also like to wear jewellery on the saris. Odisha is famous for Kataka sari and Sambalpuri sari. These sari designs contain very peculiar designs and seem very dignified. Most of the women in Odisha are interested in wearing these saris during the festival occasions, marriage occasions and other auspicious days. But nowadays, modern western dress like t-shirts, jean pants, formal shirts and pants are used by men, and women wear designer dresses.
Odia cuisine is the cuisine of state of Odisha. Odisha food has developed over time with local culture and agriculture and hence has its distinct items and practices. Odisha borders both North Indian states and South Indian states and consequently is similar to the cuisines of South and North India. Famous dishes of Odisha: dal, curries, khatas and chutneys, saga, pethas, egg, chicken and mutton, fish and other seafood. Mustard oil is used in normal cooking while ghee is used in temples and traditional cooking. In olden times, the cooks were called from Puri as they were well trained and had an awesome taste in their hands. Later, the cooks traveled to different states like West Bengal and Bihar and spread the Odia dishes over there.
Ultimate architecture of Odisha. From Jain rock cut caves to Hindu temples to Buddhist stupas, Odisha contains some of the finest examples of ancient Indian architecture. While religious influence, royal patronage, and a rich maritime trade encouraged a spirit in construction, the intrinsic artistic quality of the local craftspeople ensured the monuments were embellished with the best of sculptures and ornamentation. Considered as a special group, Kalinga school, within the matrix of Indian architecture, the larger body of temples consists of four parts: Dule or the Sanctum Sanctorum, Jagmohan of the audience hall, Nath Mandir or the dancing hall, and the Bhog Mandap of the hall where offerings were made. Craft of Odisha. Orissa is a land of talent, craftsmanship, and not to forget their indigenous folklore. Colors line the streets, but be it street art or Bhubaneswar or the art by locals in front of their colorful homes. Being one of the top tourist destinations in India, craft and art forms of Orissa find a place among major things to see and do in the state. Toys of Odisha. Burghar in Sambalpur district of Orissa is famous for artistic wooden toys. The animal figures are richly carved and at times even carry riders. One of the most striking toys is that of a lion with a fat and majestic body and a big thick mane, with its face and head richly ornamented.
Sambalpur temple is the gateway to the western zone of Orissa. It abounds in prolific rivers, lavish hills, luxuriant forests and affluent wildlife. Over the decades, it was ruled by multiple dynasties. The history of Sambalpur dates back to prehistoric times. It is mentioned in the book of Ptolemy and records of Zhuzang. Later in 4th century, the king Samudragupta defeated the king Mahindra of Koshala and Sambalpur fell in his territory. Huma Duma is one of the most important attractions to be visited in Odisha. Most popularly known as the Leaning Temple of Huma, the structure really leans to the right, making it one of the only two leaning temples in the world. The shrine is dedicated to God, the Hindu god Lord Vimleshwar. Konark Sun Temple, situated on the northeastern corner of Puri. Konark Sun Temple is a World Heritage Site and one of the prime tourist attractions of Odisha. The temple is called the Sun of the Corner. This historical place in Odisha is understood to be a cosmic chariot of the sun god. Patal Ganga is one of the most visited tourist hotspots of Odisha. It is a small perennial lake which is believed to be as holy as the river Ganga. Locals perform their pujas downstream while tourists come to visit it as well. Legend is that when Lord Ram, Lakshman and Sita visited here during their exile, Sita felt thirsty and so Lakshman broke the ground with his bare feet, and that's how the lake sprung. Odisha is a state of India, one of the musical centers of South Asia. Travelling bards are a historic part of country's heritage. In the 11th century, Odissi music was codified into a classical style related to other styles of Indian classical music. Odissi music is the folk music of Odisha. Odissi music is also known as Odissi Sangeeta. Folk music in general is the expression of ethos and mores of the folk communities.
Odissi dance, renowned as the most revered classical dance form in Odisha. Odissi dance is a typical dance form where religious and mythical stories and poems emoted by the dancers through expressions, body movements and gestures. Danda Nata, one of the most popular folk dances of Odisha, performed in the Ganjam district is Danda Nata. In this form of dance, devotees undergo a penance to appease Lord Shiva by physically touring their body. Changu dance, performed by almost all the regional tribes of Odisha. Changu dance is a rural variety of the tambourine. This dance is mainly performed by women. However, men only sing songs and groove with female dancers with simple steps.
Rath Yatra, also known as Car Festival, is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, who is believed to be an avatar of Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna. The Rath or Chariot Yatra on this festival represents the journey of Lord Krishna from Gokul to Mathura. Kalinga Mahotsav is celebrated to mark the victory of peace over war. To pay tribute to the merits of Mauryan dynasty, various martial acts are performed on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar at Dhauli Shanti Stupa. The vibrant and brave performances of martial arts not only attract the people of Odisha but from all over the world. Konark Dance Festival of Odisha, dedicated purely to the beauty of Konark Sun Temple and the elegance of Odissi dance. This festival is beyond religions and customs. The festival is celebrated to pay tribute to the ancient beauty of the Konark Temple.
Famous personalities of Orissa. Anuradha Biswal. She was born on 1st January 1975. She is an Indian athlete from Orissa. She also holds a record of 31.38 seconds for 100 meters jump at Nehru Stadium in Delhi. Annapura Maharana, 3 November 1917 to 31st December 2012, was an India pro-independence activist active in the Indian independence movement. Fakir Mohan Senapati from 1843 to 1918. He was a master in art of writing short stories. He injected a new life in Odia literature in an environment of gloom and despair. His sense of humor remains unsurpassed in Odia literature. Balakrishna Das. Sangeeta Sudhakara Balakrishna Das was a veteran guru of Odissi music.
The two famous authors from Odisha are Pratibha Ray. She was born on 21st January 1943 and she was the first woman to win the Muti Devi Award. She is a very well-known writer from Odisha. Vibhuti Patnaik or Manoj Das was born on 27 February 1943. Is an Indian author who writes in Odia and English. In 2000, Manoj Das was rewarded with Saraswati Saman. He was awarded with Padma Shri in 2001, the fourth highest civilian award in India, Padma Bhushan in 2020, and the third highest civilian award in India for his contribution in the field of literature and education.
Wildlife Sanctuary. The Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Bargarh district in the Indian state of Odisha, covering a total area of 346.91 km square. It is situated near the city of Sambalpur's Hirakhand Dam. The Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary is an important location for the conservation of various local wildlife and their habitat. The Balukhand Konark Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary located in the Indian state of Odisha. The sanctuary has an area of 87 km square and is located along the Bay of Bengal coast between the towns of Puri and Konark.